I have got a question for you which is on three variable equation. Yes, three variable linear equation which we have discussed in chapter number 6 of linear equation, which is part of my algebra module. And here the challenge is you have got three variables equation. Now you know to get the value of each variable you required number of equation equal to number of variable. But here you got only two equations and you need to find out the combination of the variables. That also we have discussed in the same lecture number 6 of linear equation. So, let's see what is the question. You can pause the video and try attempting the question by yourself, or let's solve this together. So, question says, uh, here you have one equation, here you have one equation, you got three variables a, b, c, and as I said, you won't be able to find out the value of individuals if number of equations are not equal to number of variables. Okay, so three variable के लिए आपको पास चाहिए three equations, यहाँ पे दो ही है. So, but you can still find out the combination of the variable, and combination of the variable given in the question. So, question is also, I mean, examiner is also intelligent enough, right? So, they gave the combination in a way that you should be able to make it happen. So, let's see how do we do it. So, here we have equation. So, and if you have done my concept lectures and the practice questions, then you will realize, or you can recollect that this we have discussed. This we have discussed there as well. So, here you have one equation, here you have another 6a plus 3b minus 3c equal to 50. Now, we assume that by doing some sort of elimination method. अब elimination method क्या होता है? You multiply something in equation number 1 and something some other number in equation number 2, okay, and then you maybe say add or subtract and then you get this combination. That is the elimination method. Okay, so what we do is we assume, let me write it little down here, 2a plus 3b minus 3c, which we need to find out. Okay, now let's assume that we multiply by x in equation number 1 and multiply by y in equation number 2, and then we'll use the elimination method, and finally we are going to get this combination. ऐसा हम assume करते हैं, चलेगा? Okay. Now with that assumption, if you multiply this, then what do you get as the coefficient of A, coefficient of B, and coefficient of C? And what will be the final combination or the number at the right hand side? So देखते हैं वो. So if you look at coefficient of A, and I'm assuming after multiplying we are adding both of them. ऐसा अपन मान लेते हैं, चलेगा? ये हम मानते हमेशा in such kind of question. Okay, we have discussed many such question in our practice question of linear equation. So please go through that if you have not done it. Okay, so here the coefficient of A become, here in first equation 1 into x, and the second equation 6 into y, and we are adding, as I said, so this become what? X plus y A. Similarly, I'll keep the plus sign as it is. So minus 6 into x, this will become what? Minus 6x plus 3b. Okay, sorry, plus 3y into b. Okay. Similarly, the coefficient of y is 6x minus 3y into c, and that's equal to 4 into x plus 50 into y. ये आपके पास आने वाला है, ठीक है. नाउ एज आई सेड, एग्जामिनर्स आर स्मार्ट इनफ. सी, आपको ऑप्शंस में यहाँ पे नॉट डिटरमाइन नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो ऑब्वियसली ऐसा कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन तो पॉसिबल है, बट बाय व्हाट नंबर शैल वी मल्टीप्लाई टू गेट दिस फाइनल कॉम्बिनेशन? दैट्स व्हाट वी नीड टू फिगर इट आउट, एंड दैट इज वेरी इजी. इसमें बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. आप क्या करो, यहाँ पे यू कंपेयर द कोएफिशिएंट दैट दिस, assume that you get the same here. Okay, to get this combination you have done multiplication of x in the first equation, multiplication of y in the second equation. ये आपने किया ही इसलिए ताकि आपको ये combination मिल सके. Correct? That's what our assumption is. In that case, if we compare the coefficient of each variable, let's say compare the coefficient of a from what we got with this combination and what is given to find out in the combination. So, find out में क्या दिया है? A का coefficient is 2 and here A का coefficient we got as x plus 6y. Okay. So, here, let me clean this up. Okay. Here you should get what? You should get x plus 6y equal to 2. Okay. And if you compare the coefficient of b, which is here, this one, and here it is 3. So you will find, you can say that is minus 6x plus 3y equal to, here the coefficient is 3. Okay. So now you got what? Two variable, two equations. Can we find out unique value of x and y? Obviously we can. So अब कैसे निकालेंगे उसको? So what we do first, we need to make the coefficients equal. X का coefficient same बनाते हैं. So for that we need to multiply by 6. So let's multiply by 6 here. Here in equation number 2 it's already 6, so we don't have to multiply by anything. So let's keep it like 1. Now the outcome here you get is what? 6x plus 36y equal to 12, and down in the second part of the equation, in the second equation you get what? Minus 6 plus 3y equal to 3. ऐसा ही रहा है ना. Now we are going to add because the coefficients are same but sign are different. So we can add. देखो यार, ये अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना, that means if you are not able to understand this, then that means you have not done linear equation very well. Okay, so that's very important. पहले वो करो, then we can come to this. Okay, now simplify. So this will get 0, and here 36 plus 3 is what? 39, and here it is y. This is 12 plus 3, which is 15. Now maximum you can cancel this by 3. So you get 3 5s are 15 and 3 13s are 39. Okay, so y you got as 5 by 3, 5 by 13. Now either you can substitute 5 by 13 here, or you can eliminate x, y this time. So to get the value of x, ये आपके ऊपर है, आपको जैसा ठीक लगता है. मैं यहाँ पे substitute करता हूँ. Okay, let me substitute here. Now we can either substitute the value of y in this equation and find the value of x, or you can this time eliminate y and get the value of x. That's totally on you. What I'll do is I'll use the substitution method here. I'll substitute the value of y here. Instead of 6y, I'll have 6 into 5 by 13 and see what is the value of x in that case. So here I can get x plus 6 into y, which we got 5 by 13 equal to 2. So here if you simplify, आपको मिलने वाला है क्या? X is equal to 6 5s are 30. We'll go to the other side. Here it will become what? 2 minus 30 by 13. Simplify this. If you simplify, 13 2s are 26. 26 minus 30 by 13. Okay, so 26 minus 13 will be minus 4 by 13. ये आपका हो गया value of x, right? Okay, I hope there is no challenge here. So basically you got the value of y and x. Okay, y and x. Now what are y and x? Y and x are the number, only the number which you multiply in this respective given equations to get the combination which question said आपको ये find करना है. ठीक है? So you got value of x. अब थोड़ा सा इसमें I'm skipping some steps. I hope you are comfortable and you will cooperate with me here. आपको समझ में भी आ गया. देखो ये substitute करके आपको ये combination, final ये combination मिलने वाला है. Correct? It means its right hand side should also help you to get the answer. So right hand side will help you to get the numeric answer, and where left hand side is getting you to get the combination in with the variables a, b, c. Correct? So right hand side, you should, if you substitute the x and y value in the right hand side here, you should get the numeric value of this combination. Yeah. Okay, I'm skipping one step here. कौन सा step मैं skip कर रहा हूँ? Actually हमें करना क्या चाहिए? What we should do it here? What we should do here is substitute the value of x and y in the left hand side all together, and then match left hand side and right hand in both, and match that it is giving the same combination. उसके बाद आपको right hand side का value निकालना चाहिए. But it's very obvious that we have used the left hand side to get the value of x and y. Compare the coefficient. So it is very obvious that you are going to get the same, right? हमें वो कब try करना चाहिए? जब option में cannot be determined दिया हुआ है. But options are all defined. That means obviously C is going to get the same combination. We have not compared the coefficient of C, but it is very obvious that we are going to get the same coefficient. If option has cannot be determined, तो आपको C का combination check करना चाहिए. बिना check के आगे मत बढ़ना. Otherwise you may end up getting the wrong answer with some sort of assumption. Okay. So here only because option has no cannot be determined. So here I can directly take the right hand side and substitute the value of x and y and find the final answer here. So यहाँ पे x और y का value में रखता हूँ. देखो क्या आ जाएगा वहाँ पे? 4 into what we got as the value of x. We got the value of x as minus 4 upon 13. What we got the value of y? We got the value of y as क्या आया था? Yeah, 5 by 13. Okay, so multiply by 5 by 13 here. Okay, this is what we need to simplify. So if we simplify this further, what we get here? Minus 16 by 13, and here we get what? 250 by 13. If you simplify it further, you get 13 as overall. यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? 250 minus 16 हो जाएगा कितना? 234. So 234 by 13 should be your answer, but options are integer form में. So let's see if the numerator 2, 3, 4 is divisible by 13. Let's try this. So 13 ones are 13, and we got 10 here, so 104. So 13 eights are 104. So we got final answer to be 18. Can we match this with the option? Yes. ये क्या मार्क है? मैंने तो ऐसा एग्जाम्पल बताया था. So your answer is what? Option number C, 18. Okay, that's the answer. I hope you understood this. Let's try the next question now.